Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I want to share my experience with DJI Support. So for those of you who don't know, my friend crashed my drone into a tree. You can click up here to learn more about that story. So I was faced with an option. Do I try to repair my drone on my own, or do I send it in to DJI for repair? Now, I watched a lot of videos, kind of review videos on YouTube about people's experiences with DJI, and ouch, they did not seem very positive. So naturally, I was originally considering repairing it myself because I thought, well, this is probably going to be cheaper and I get to know that I'm the one doing work on my drone, so I don't have to worry that I'm going to have a horrible experience. So I priced it all out and it was around $180, including a $60 toolkit I was going to buy to make my job a lot easier. And the reason the cost is so high is because some of the parts are not sold from DJI, so they're sold by a third party who marks it up. And what is sold by DJI, like the plastic shell, is, well, it's like 40 bucks for a piece of plastic. So, regardless of the negative things that I'd heard, I made the decision to go ahead and send it to DJI. Now, I sent it in via their prepaid label on January 2nd, and I waited. It took about a week to get there. Now, I'll have the entire timeline listed on the screen right now, but I received the drone back on January 18th, so that's a total of 16 days. So I gotta say, as far as speed, absolutely would recommend. I think 16 days is a reasonable amount of time. Because some people were saying it took 3 weeks, a month and a half to get their drone back. I got mine back in 16 days, like I said, so to me, 2 to 3 weeks is pretty fair. Now, obviously, my two other concerns were, number one, the price, because it was, well, send it to us and we'll give you a quote. You know, we can't really tell you what it's going to cost until we get it, which of course they do have all their part costs listed online. So I guesstimated $262, and when I sent it in, they actually told me it was going to be $193 to fix. That was music to my ears because I was considering spending $180 to try to fix it myself, and I knew that a professional would be fixing it for just $13 more. So I happily paid the price. I said, go ahead and fix it. And well, when I got the drone back, I noticed that there were no scratches. And that's when I was a little skeptical. So I checked the serial number on the bottom, and sure enough, it is a different drone. In fact, it's a brand new drone. So they just charged me for the damage and they shipped me a brand new replacement, which I was super impressed with. Because honestly, if I had bought the warranty, by the time if there's a deductible and all that, it probably would have worked out to about the same price. So for me, crashing my drone into a tree, absolutely totaling it, and then only paying $193 for a brand new one, that's good in my book. So I gotta say, congratulations DJI, you really did a great job with me. I was satisfied with your customer service. The only complaint I have, which is just a nitpick, is after I sent my drone in and it said delivered on the tracking number, it wasn't entered into their system just yet, so I got on their live chat and talked to a guy named Aaron. And I wish I still had the transcript to really prove this to you guys, but I just said, you know, hey, my drone says it's delivered, but in the case it's not delivered yet, what's going on? And over the course of 20 minutes, I'm not kidding you, 20 minutes, he keeps replying, Christian, I'm checking on this. Thank you for your patience. I'm working on it. I'm like, oh, yeah, wow, he better be like calling the repair center in LA if he's taking this long. So after 20 minutes, he goes, Christian, to clarify, you want to know if we've received your drone? Yeah, that's what I want to know. So, okay, give me a few more minutes. Okay, Christian, I'm checking on this. All right, I'm still working on this. 10 minutes passes by, and he goes, I'm sorry, Christian. Unfortunately, I can't help you with this. Really? Like, I wasn't even bugged that he said he couldn't help me because the next day it said it was delivered. Like, I understand, but why couldn't he have told me that before I wasted 30 minutes of my life? Like, hello, are you there? Is this even a human? Like, that was that was frustrating. However, I mean, that was a nitpick. That was like the only thing that I would say, DJI, if you're watching this, you can do better to improve. But other than that, I had an absolutely outstanding, fantastic customer service experience. I've enjoyed flying my brand new Phantom 3 Standard. DJI, thank you. You did a wonderful job. And I hope that this is how you treat all your customers, because I've had a great time. So, have you had an experience with DJI support? Was it good or bad? Definitely be sure to drop a comment down below, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and enable post notifications so you don't miss when I release new content. I just started a second channel for vlogging, so be sure to check that out. And with that said, I'll catch you guys next time.